Hi, good afternoon, traders. This is Baja Pips. Currently 9:29 p.m. Eastern China Time. It's Wednesday, July 3rd, 2024, and we are officially in Q3. I'm going to be doing some day trading on the 1-minute chart. I'm going to be looking at stocks. Right now, I have Nvida pulled up, and I'm going to pull up another one in just a moment. I'm going to focus on Nvida, and I have Tesla right here. So we're 1 minute away from, about 10 seconds away from the NYSE open. And yeah, I'm going to get started. Just came from dinner, so hopped up in the office, and I'm going to get started on these trades. basically what I've just did, and I'm making the music play more in the background, but I labeled basically moves that I see, but I would not take because the volume is low. I oriented the y-axis so we can see that the average movement is about 10 pips per day, and that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, just marking up my charts, and as you can see, I skipped that TC North because there's just a bunch of tiny waves moving on up, and it doesn't look like it's really trending. It might start reversing. I need to see higher waves, bigger wave sizes before I take a trade. And you're gonna see everything marked up. I want to be in silence today, so y'all can actually see me mark up the charts and focus more on how I'm reading it and kind of tap into my mind instead of me just telling you. Some videos I'll talk through the entire session, but this one I'm going to be a little silent, just giving y'all little updates. Let's keep watching. Disregard this, y'all. I paused the video because I'm taking orders on my other broker. This is very distracting, which is why I don't like I don't like recording things and trading every day because as you can see on this one, I didn't get the right lot size. For some reason, it's not allowing me. And that's very frustrating because on my broker, I actually sold it right here. Just want to show y'all the difference. So I'm basing it based off of my broker and not based off of this particular one right here. But I'm just showing y'all the orders. So I'm already in the sell, but we may or may not get this. We'll see. if we go too high, I'm going to close out for 1 hour loss, fortunately, but we'll see. So I'm trying to modify my risk, but it's not letting me. I don't know why it's doing this. It's really weird right now. Stop loss, I put the risk 0.6%. That's what I want to risk, but it's not letting me sell on this trading view. So I have no clue why it's doing that. Sometimes it's like really dumb. So I don't know why. There we go. Let me try this. I want to move this. Yeah, I can see everything. For some reason it said minus 4.8 ticks, but I meant to do plus, so a little bit higher than I would like on this broker, but it's okay. This is just my visual representation. This is not the actual, like, I have another thing I got going on right now. So just bear with me. I'm just trying to adjust everything. I'm doing multiple things at once, but here is the trade. We'll see if it goes or not. Yeah, I'll see that in real time. I had to focus, that's why I turned the mic off. So it's caught 2.54R on that trade. So I waited a little bit over time. So this is almost an hour in my session. Yes, you can trade the stock market all the way up until lunch, NY time, and then all the way like an hour after lunch till close. So it's tradable all day. I just wanted to trade a little longer today because I didn't trade the Euro USD during New York session today. But as you can see, I caught 1 hour loss. It was actually less than 1 hour, but I just marked it off as 1 hour. I want to be as transparent as possible. And then I just caught a 2.5R winner. So now I can talk now that we're over with the session. I just wanted to record everything so y'all can actually see I do trade. And this is real time. This is in real time. You see that 1 minute ago, market watch. Everything is happening in real time. I do this all the time. Check my previous videos. But this was a loss. I would have took the loss. You saw me trailing my stops along the way. Every bar I was looking for points to get out if price went against me. See it starting to reverse. Now I'm done. I'm exhausted. My brain is fried right now. I've had a long day, but that was a nice dub to seal the day. Now let me just talk about what I was doing while I was switching back and forth between the different charts. Basically, I was looking for confluences in the market. So if I seen that there was a setup on any of the stocks I was looking at, those were on my watch list that I normally look at every day. If I seen a good setup, I was going to take it, but most of the stocks look choppy and trash today. So that's why you kept seeing me switch in between. Tesla was my key one. That was the one that I had my eyes on. It had the best movement. You can see I could read price action, and it was my choice to pick the stock. I don't have anyone overseeing me telling me like choose this stock. I chose it. And no one told me to get out right there. No one told me it was going to reverse. No one told me to short it and take a loss. Now, yes, the numbers are a little messed up on this trading view. Thankfully, this is just my trading view for demonstration purposes. I actually do mark up my charts on my phone, and also I have another device that I use too, just so I can multitask. But I wanted to record this video because I want to treat y'all every once in a while, show y'all that I do trade, show y'all that I do actually get in these entries. It may not be the perfect entries. Like this should have been at least sooner, and I should have had a tighter stop. I'm still getting familiar with the stock market, the spreads, the volatility, all of that. I'm still taking account for all of that. So I didn't really know. At least the bid-ask spread on the right side. I don't want to get stopped out prematurely, but I was ready to close out if price went down below these lows right here. I was going to get out anyways manually. So thankfully that didn't happen. That's why I moved this one on up so y'all can actually see. Hopefully that didn't alter the trade. Now we have an RT short right now, so it should be going down. But I don't want to trade anymore. I'm done. My mental brain is done. I've been trading. This is actually longer than I normally trade. I normally trade the session for 30 minutes, but today we do have that 10 o'clock. There's news coming out. There's the unemployment change, and that's a high impact. So maybe that's affecting Tesla as well. But yeah, I just don't want to trade anymore. I think it's coming out at 10:30 my time. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all just a quick session. It was actually kind of long. So I traded 2 sessions today. That's more than I normally would trade, but actually it's normal because I trade either London and New York forex, one of those, and then I trade the stock market now, like an hour ago, or I trade the Asian session when I look at commodities like gold, Bitcoin, and stuff like that. So I switch it up every once in a while depending on my schedule. Today I had to go out and eat, but hopefully I got home right on time and I showed y'all everything. Follow me on IG, you can actually see my post that I just posted some food I was eating. So you can see everything is in real time and I followed through. So we have a positive day. This was plus, it says 3.53, but it says risk reward 2.54. So we caught 2.5 for our minus 1R. So we netted 1.5 for R. And then earlier in the session, I lost 1R. So we're up by 0.5 for R for the day, and it's still a net profitable day. That's how I do my totals, my calculation. I do it at the end of the day, so I have a daily total. I hope that makes sense, y'all. And that would have been a bad trade anyways. This one coming in right now, it looks like it could still possibly go, but I'm still getting familiar with my stops on stocks because I need to have it wider, and that's why I'm like, it's more private to me. But you can see it's going down. I wouldn't be out right now. I would actually widen the stop. But in the past, I would have my stops way too tight, way too close to market, and then I get stopped out, and then the price would go in my favor, and I'm like, shoot. Stocks are not forex. Forex, EURUSD specifically, I can use ultra tight stops, trailing stops, and everything. But when it comes to the stock market and the higher time frames of forex as well, like 5 minute and beyond, I have to widen my stop just a little bit because price does tend to whipsaw around, and I don't want to get out for no reason. I could have stood in. So yeah, I'm gonna mark this up with my notes, and I'm gonna just post this on my Twitter. The link is gonna be below. If I were in this trade, trailing stop would be right above these highs right here. So it could have been a winner, could have been a loser, but I don't want to just juggle around. It's past my time. Matter of fact, it's kind of hard to tell. I probably wouldn't even short this. Looking at these lows, price just closed below, so I wouldn't be in a short right now actually. And that's what I mean by my brain is like fried right now. I'm beat. I'm ready to close up shop and go to bed. But I recorded everything. Everything's documented for you all to see. We had a winner today. We had a losing session. We have a winning session. We have a net winning day. This is all on my YouTubes, and y'all can check it out if you have time. I'm gonna just shoot y'all with some advice, and it's something that I posted on my Twitter. So let me just pull up that post. Actually, it wasn't on my Twitter. I copied it and pasted it in my last video. I'm gonna tell y'all what it says. Just give me a moment while I pull it up. Yeah, good day, y'all. Just give me a second. So let me pull this up. Yeah, y'all seen that all in real time. I had to focus. I had to stop talking. Sometimes, you just need that non-talking time. So, okay. So it says that right here. I'm gonna put it in the description too, what I'm about to read. The market wants you to revenge trade, strategy hop, not follow a plan, trade because you fear missing out, not adhere to your stops, let winners run. The market wants you to second guess yourself. The market wants you to panic. It wants you to oversize, undersize, take trades because someone else took the trade. Hesitate. The market wants you to overanalyze. It wants you to follow trading plans sold to you by YouTube gurus. I'm not a YouTube guru. I show y'all thing. I don't have things in my thumbnails saying, oh, make 10K in 30 seconds. No, I don't do that. So it also wants you to prove how brilliant you are. I see this on Twitter and Instagram all the time, people showing before and afters, and that doesn't mean jack. Can you do what I do? Sit in front of the screen for 30 minutes to an hour, commentate and read price action pure in real form, pure form, tick by tick, bar by bar. Show your trailing stops, show your orders, show your entries, tell everybody what you're doing, show your failures, show your overcoming winners. Can you do that? Have you all seen that many traders do this? Do this all the time. Like, come on. Don't hate on me. Like, I need more views. Like, share this shit. Share this video. Hit everybody up. Say, yo, this is a real trader. He does this. Steph Curry, like Kobe up in this. So, it wants you to perfect your timing. I was a little bit off, but it doesn't matter. I still got in the trade because I know my setups. I know if I'm late, I have to account for that. That's why I could have went for a higher target, but I'm late, so I'm going for the same target. It wants you to wait until the break is 100% confirmed before acting. Now, that I agree with and disagree. So what I mean by that is like, it wants you to wait for like the perfect setup, and sometimes you don't get it. Like me, I didn't really like this 100% because the wave size wasn't as strong as I would like it, but it broke out of this range. You see, this was a range. That's why I didn't trade anything within it, and I waited for the breakout of that range. That's why I marked these lines up, pulled back, and then my TC North. So that was a good trade. I didn't sell this right here. Give me a moment. Let me just pull up my other headphones. I got these cheap Chinese AirPods. Just a moment. It wants to act up right now. Hold up. Wait a minute. Like I said, those headphones these are not AirPods, y'all. AirPods don't look like this. I bought it because I went through 2 pairs of AirPods that literally I lost them all 4 pieces at the same way. I was in Thailand. I was at a resort. AirPods came out, bounced on the floor, went to the bushes. I looked in that bushes for 1.5 hours. Word of me, I did not find it. The other piece, I was at a hotel, bounced on the floor, disappeared. I went back to that hotel 5 times, 5 different times. I was like, yo, you seen it? Check the camera. Like, no one's seen it. So now I'm just taking these because I'm tired of wasting money on freaking AirPods that are gonna jack anyways. But like I was saying, back to what I said. It wants you to not practice sound risk management. So y'all see my risk management was on point. Unfortunately, on this trading view, I was having issues with my DOM, my depth of market, and it was not letting me take certain trades because I don't know why, but it's like a little bit of a small minor error. So I fixed that though. But I did do a proper position size on my other device. And then it wants you to focus on outcomes, not the process, and so many other behaviors. So like I said, it wants you to focus on, how much am I going to make? Or is this going to be a winner? I didn't even care. I was ready to get out any moment. And I swear, word of me, y'all would have seen. So that's what the market wants you to do. Lastly, y'all might have noticed that I orientate my chart to 10%. Why I do that? Because the stocks that I look at, they move about 10% per day. So you can see how Tesla is already up, like from the open opening bell, it's up about 7%. So that's almost like the max that it normally moves. Tesla's actually been moving lately. That's why I chose that today. I looked at it yesterday and I missed it. And I was like, damn, it was really moving good. So maybe they have like good earnings or something. But either way, I don't really even care about news, as y'all can see. I do look at news, like, if there's earnings nearby or NFP. NFP is on Friday, by the way. Tomorrow's my day off. It's 4th of July, Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to y'all in the U.S. Even though I'm not living there, I still respect the country. I still respect the veterans. I respect the history, even though the history is a little jacked up. I'm still my country at the end of the day. So I respect that. And happy Independence Day to y'all. Now, last thing I have to say, because this video is going a little bit long, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all that watched this video, that watched my last video, that watched the one before that and before that. Y'all are learning. Y'all are ahead of the crowd. The world is screwing around, gambling, going over crazy-ish, and you are watching this, and you're seeing real-time price action unfold. I don't have to do this. This is just voluntary. I'm not getting paid for this. YouTube's not paying me. No one's paying me to do this. I just said, hey, this is how I learned. This is how I got exposed to real trading, how to really trade. And this is how I kind of found my coach in the past and how I went about it. And it's all about paying it forward. So I'm just giving back to the community. I want y'all to see, like, there's real traders out there. Don't lose hope. Don't quit. There's no end of the tunnel, really, but the marathon continues. Enjoy the process, and eventually one day you're going to be trading real smooth. And losses aren't going to matter because you can make that back times 2, 3, 4. Like, literally, I had a 4-hour winning session yesterday during London, and I lost 0.5R, I believe, during the US. I did not trade the stock market. I was bummed out. I was tired for the day. So my net for the day was 3.5R. And then I come back today, I lost 1R. I was almost not going to trade because I was at dinner during the New York forex open. But I got back in time to trade this. And yeah, that was it. So I hope the music's not too loud. I hope everything's right when I close this out. This is a northbound move right now, but it's a complex pullback. So I don't like this last short. It wasn't even a real short. So to me, it could be up, it could go up, it could go down. I'm just done for the day. And yeah, let me just close this up. We'll talk next time. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Follow me on Twitter if you want to see my daily post, or IG if you want to see lifestyle. I kind of separate the two now. I have more random followers on IG that just I meet everywhere I go. So they want to see more lifestyle content, so I post that there, and then I post more of my trading content, helpful tips for free, all that on my Twitter. My website shut down for now because I'm just done with this whole blogging stuff for now. It's not fully shut down, but it's just inactive because I just feel like doing this personal journey right now. One day I'll reactivate it and I'll renovate it, but right now it is what it is. Twitter, IG is where you're gonna find me. Y'all have a great day. Once again, it was a 1.54R session at winner and one loss, one winner. All right, peace.